I gave you my heart.
First, we need to find the color yellow in the middle. We need to form a pattern that looks like a daisy, like this. We need to find all the white edges. We are done with the daisy pattern. We need to put together a white cross. We should align its edges with the right colored center on each side. Then, do it one by one. We are done with the white cross. Next, we need to find the white corners. We are done with our first layer. Let us proceed to the second layer. Find the edges color that will align with the right colored center on each side. we need to put that in our left side. So all we need to do is to do the move on the left side. Repeat it until you are done with the second layer. If we need to put it on the right side, we should do the move on the right side.
Remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough. We hook up in my car, driving so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Now we are done with our first and second layer. Let us proceed to the last layer, or the third layer.
Now I remember
We need to create a cross. Repeat the move.
and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Now we found the cross. As you can see, we also found a double fish. All we need to do is find the nearest yellow corners that is near to the head of the double fish. Remember where the yellow corner is because we need to do the move on where the yellow corner is.
We were alive, we would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our
We
journey
have completed the
was
top,
high,
but the color of its edges and corners are not aligned.
running away, we live for today, young and so bold, never get old, screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
We have completed ourselves the green color, but the top color is not yet aligned. As you can see, there is 3 colors that are missing edges but only one. Find the color that is far to the side, then do this move and we are done.
Could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Sometimes you will find a pattern like this, a fish. Find the yellow corner that is near to the head of a fish.
We could be.
Then, do this move.
Now I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch
Now
me
we
grow.
found the last pattern. 2 colors are missing. 3 on this side and only 1 on this side. Place the color where there are only 2 colors missing. Do the move where the side or the color is already aligned.
But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
If you encounter this, the color yellow or the top color is arranged but its edges and corners are not aligned. Place everywhere you want and do this move until you find the last pattern. Do it 2 times on each side if you haven't seen the last move yet. As you can see, there's only 1 color missing on the blue color. I did the last pattern technique because the missing color is on its side, not on the back.
On a victory, bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. I know this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright.
As you can see, that is the last move.
But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not.
Sometimes you will encounter this pattern. This is a tongue. If you see that the corner that is missing is far from each other, this is the move that we need to do. Now, we found the cross pattern. In each of the corners that is missing is on the same side and also to the back side. This is the move we need to do. Sometimes you encounter this cross pattern, but the other missing corners are on the same side, while the other 2 are not, like this one. All we need to do is this move.
Can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body.
There is a tongue pattern, but the missing corners are on the same side. All we need to do is this pattern.
Yeah, they say that she's alive. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a bright